Hello everyone, welcome to Aurelia's Crafting Ideas. I have a Dollar Tree haul and let me show you all the goodies that I picked up. Dollar Tree has their reusable shopping bags for Valentine's Day out. Look at this. Isn't that gorgeous? I love the window and the bike scene. So cute. And then this is the side. So I picked up two of them because they're just so cute. Look at that. Even the strap is like just pink. It all goes together very well. So cute. There are other designs out there, so when you stop by your Dollar Tree, take a look. I picked up some Valentine stuff. I picked up some regular stuff. I also picked up some Christmas items. Christmas items were 50% off, so I picked up 3 packages of ornament hooks. 75 cents. Oh no, it was 63 cents. These. So got those 3. And then my next items are Valentine stuff. Look at this. I picked up this hanging heart. It's 3 hearts. You got 2 reds and then you got like a pink one in the middle. I picked up 4 of these. And what I want to do is I want to separate them and turn them into ornaments for the tree in my front yard. I want to decorate the tree in my front yard. So I'm going to hang these up on the, yeah, it's going to be fun. And then, speaking of ornaments, I have more ornaments. Look at these. So this, I saw them in red, and there's another color, I can't remember, sorry. I love this color. They're like kind of like the hot, somewhere between a hot pink and magenta. So cute. I love the colors. Look at this. They have the matte finish. They have the shiny one. And they have the glittered. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? You know, I bought, where did I put my tree? I need to show you because I finally bought my tree. Let me grab them. I almost forgot I bought these trees. Look, this is the Christmas tree. And it's a 24-inch pre-lit tree. It's bright white lights. Regular price was $5, and then since all the Christmas is 50% off, these were $2.50. They're adorable. I picked up 2 of the pink ones. And then they had 1 of the white ones in. I love this. It's like iridescent twigs on there. So I got this one too. So I was thinking, look, I can hang them on here. Look how cute that would look, right? If I use the white one. Look. And then I can use the white one for Easter also. Here is my pink tree. So I have to rethink my ornaments. Look at this. It's just going to be all pink. Everything's going to be pink. See there? I don't know. I have to rethink my ornament colors. It seemed like a really good idea, you know, when I was thinking about this. But yeah, I think it looks better on the white tree. See? You see that? Oh goodness, where's the shiny one? There it is. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. So I'm quite happy I was able to pick up my Christmas trees. And of course, you can always change the lights out. You don't have to keep those on. I did not get the lights, but Dollar Tree does have some heart lights for the $1.25 section. So look at this. I just love these. Now, I know I said I was going to show you my bonus items on a separate video, but I just have to show you that because it kind of goes with the reason why I picked up these ornaments. So I picked up 5 bags of these. So yeah. And then the other ornaments I picked up are these. Let's see. They're called containers. I thought they were ornaments, but they're containers. But look, how gorgeous is that? So I saw this online, and I was thinking they were a lot bigger, you know, like this huge. So I was thinking I was going to hang these up in the tree in my front yard. It didn't work out. That's why I had to buy the tinsel hearts. But see how cute they are? They're tiny, right? So it says containers. So I imagine you just pop this open. See, you put some goodies in there, close it up. But I want to use these as ornaments, so I will probably maybe put some string in there and then glue it shut. And then if you want to use lights in here, you'll have to like drill a hole in there. That way you can drop the light in there. Well, that'll be cute too, right? So I picked up 2 packages of the pink ones, and I picked up 2 packages of the red one. So here's the red one. Some of that. See there? I like that. It's kind of on the dark side, see? So more opaque, I should say, as you'll see how you can see through the pink one, and a bit more shaded on the red ones. But I like them. They're so cute. I only saw them into 2 colors, the pink one and the red. So if you see another color out there, give me a shout out. I want them. So Dollar Tree also has some cute ornaments. Now they have the small gnome too if you want a gnome, but I passed on that one because I'm kind of going with, I don't know what this thing is called, but but look at these. They're tin metal, and it's in a circle, and it's got like a little message that says from Cupid, mail delivery. How adorable, right? And then the string, and they have a bead on the string there. Now they only had one in. I did not see all the ornaments that they had available, because this was the last one on the shelf. And besides this one, all they had left was the 2-piece gnome. But look at this. How cute is this? So you can put this on like a little package, right? For Valentine's Day. How adorable would that look? Then again, you can also use them as this intended purpose. Use it as an ornament on your tree. If you're putting up a Valentine tree, that is. But look how gorgeous. Well, I am updating my tree. I'm going from the 16-inch tree to the 24-inch tree. So I got that one. And then I picked up a ribbon. So I picked this up. Can you see that? You can wrap this on, you know, like a small gift if you're doing a small one, and how adorable would that look? Or you can make a bow, right? Just remember to turn that before you slide it in there. See there? Isn't that adorable? Cute. Out of all the ribbons that they had, I picked up this one. The gnome. Then again, you know what? I probably should just go back and pick up the gnome ornaments. They're just too adorable. But yeah, maybe I'll do one tree gnome, and then the rest can be all this cute stuff, right? And then look, I picked this up. This is a makeup brush. See, it's orange, right? And it's so soft. Absolutely adorable. So this is the head of the rose, and then you got the stem, and it even has thorns. Isn't that cute? Now imagine if this was a pin. It would be awesome. But it's not. It's a brush. And you can use it for its intended purpose as a brush, like for blush. But I was thinking I can use this to clean my keyboard because look how soft that is. I can get all the dust off my keyboard. You know, when I'm not using my vacuum, I can just take out this brush and I brushed off everything. But how cute, right? So they have it in, I believe, 3 colors. I was kind of hoping if they had like a full red one, but I didn't see one. But when you go visit your store, take a look. You know, you'll find 3 different shades in the head of the brush itself. I believe all the stems are gold, but you know, don't take my word for it. Go back and take a look at your Dollar Tree. So I have that. I believe that is all the Valentine stuff. And since I was in the Valentine mode, I found this. This I saw at the checkout line. So it's by Ecology. It's called Boxy Girls. And I just thought this was adorable. So look at the stickers. Nothing but stickers with little cute little girls on there. So they have cute outfits, but I was thinking, you know, we can change out the outfits for like different seasons, right? You know, change the dress out for Christmas, for Valentine's, Easter, Halloween. And look, and they have one on the yellow sheet too. So when you pull this off, you'll see the background of the sticker on here. See, you can always fussy cut that out if you like. And then here's a purple sheet. And then you got 2 girls on one image or on one sticker. And then there's this one, the hot pink background. There's a lot of girls on here. So that's it. So there's, you get 4 sheets of stickers, but you get 110 stickers. Isn't that an excellent price? $1.25 for 110 stickers. So I picked up 2 because I knew I was going to be using this, and then you know, when Dollar Tree sells out, I'll be sad that I didn't have to. So I got those. And then I grabbed some other stickers too. Look at this. Now, I've seen this, Dollar Tree does carry this, that is by Jot, but I've passed it up several times, so this time I picked it up. It is glittered, and you get 78 pieces. You got the Hollywood theme, look at this. And then a bunch of, what do you call them, marquee boards? No? Road signs, perhaps? But look at that, how adorable. And then you get the marquee letters, the ones that light up. How cute, right? So I picked up 3 because I want to use this in my planner. I want to decorate, I don't know, maybe March, April. One of those months I want to use one of these. And my planner is going to look really festive for that month. I loved all this. I love all these. You know, if you ever travel across country, you know, you've noticed signs along the road, right? All kinds of interesting billboards along the road. And then if you ever travel into California, this is where you'll see those, like along the main route. But how cute. I like that. So I was feeling a little nostalgic. I was missing California roads. Oh, goodness. Yeah, you only miss it if you're not there. If you're there, you're like, oh my gosh, traffic. When will it end? This is everything that I picked up on my trip to Dollar Tree. I have myself some new cute ornaments. So adorable. I love these little candy things. Like, you can put candy in here. You can put like soap in there. You can put whatever you want in there, you know? So adorable. And I love my new ribbon. And then these hearts are so adorable. I I believe that Dollar Tree carries this yearly, but I don't think I've ever bought them. I'm trying to think. I'll have to drag out my supply box, but I don't think that I have these. They could be new. I don't know. But yeah, I'm quite happy with those. And then here's the large, small tinsel. Now, if you want the large heart, they do have a larger one too. But I think this is just the perfect size for a tree. I have I don't know how tall my tree is, maybe 12 feet, 10, 12 feet. But I only hang them like around the edges where I can reach. Oh, goodness. But yeah, I want to have fun decorating my front yard. You know, I got to get with my neighborhood. My neighborhood loves to decorate. So, you know, if I put Valentine stuff out, maybe they will join me and decorate for Valentine also. Normally, I only put out like my wreath for Valentine's Day, but I think this year, it being 2024, you know, why not, right? Decorate a tree in the front yard. If not the front yard, then decorate one in the backyard. But how adorable. I love this ribbon. Well, I hope that you find what you're looking for the next time you go to Dollar Tree and that you find everything on your wish list. Thank you for stopping by. This is Aurelia at Aurelia's Crafting Ideas, and I will see you next time.